Hi, imagine you're standing in a pond, and when you throw a pebble in the water, you see ripples spreading out from the spot where the pebble landed. These ripples are like waves moving through the water, and they carry information about the pebble's impact. Now, instead of a pond, let's think about space. LIGO, Laser Interferometer Gravitational-Wave Observatory, is like a super special tool that helps scientists detect ripples in space itself. But these ripples aren't caused by pebbles. They happen when really big things like black holes or neutron stars collide with each other, way out there in the universe. LIGO uses long arms that are several kilometers long, and they are shaped like a letter, L. At the ends of each arm, there are mirrors that can bounce a laser, a special kind of light, back and forth. When a big cosmic collision happens, it sends out these space ripples, which are called gravitational waves. They're like the ripples in the pond, but they move through space instead of water. When a gravitational wave passes through the LIGO detector, it slightly stretches one arm of the L and squeezes the other. By studying these gravitational waves, scientists can learn a lot about the universe, like how black holes and other objects behave when they crash into each other. It's like having a cosmic telescope that can see things that regular telescopes can't. LIGO helps us explore the mysteries of the universe in a completely different way. The good news is, LIGO is coming to India. LIGO India is collaborating LIGO Laboratory, operated by Caltech and MIT, and India. See you next time.